So, I feel nice and energized. I got a good night's sleep. I think I actually went to bed a little earlier than I have been lately. But today I feel pretty good. Oh yeah, a few days ago I think we were driving down here and we saw somebody resting their bones right here on the sidewalk somewhere. What? People want to go fast, huh? Got our own special blend of coffee. I think we mixed caramel mocha and Lavazza Selezione Intenso. Lavazza Intenso and caramel mocha with a pumpkin spice creamer. So that tastes a little different. And I think when I get to work, I'm gonna. Yep, the screen just shut down on us. But we're still recording. Yep. I think it might be getting its overheating issue. Yep. But as I was saying, when I get to work, I think when we finish recording, I'm going to take the suction cup mount off the windshield, and then later this evening I will try to mount it a little differently. Or I could just leave it the way it is, and then since my new camera will be coming tomorrow, I'll just redo the whole setup. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. New camera, new setup. That's our plan. Strange. When I checked the temperature when we left, it was 73 degrees. Now it is 63 degrees. wondering how that's possible. It hasn't even been very long. It's only been